buying A&P a Cadillac truck from Fanum, and let's get it going.
What he said?
God did.
Niggas know what's going on. God did. God did.
Life is beautiful.
God did.
Right now, just taste like cause I'm eating good. Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down.
We got Asian in the cut. Hold on. That's how it opens though. I can't show the plate though. Hold on. God did.
God did.
I just had a Wendy's chicken Asiago with fries, bro.
God did.
Like it was my cheat day. You know what I'm saying? No more cheat weeks for me. Just a cheat day. Keep the front. Keep the front just copped out. I Ubered to the dealership, came back driving. What happened?
It's gonna be a 2-year plus sub to get people take you to prom in this.
If you miss up to MP for more than 2 years, what happens?
You get taken to prom with this.
Taking a prom in this mother.
Oh shit.
Contest coming soon, bro. Right? What?
What if they're 15 or 21?
We got him.
Wait, what?
Oh, the reason why all these niggas is outside because there's no internet right now. Look,
That's not true. Kai actually said, yo.
you never see all these niggas outside, bro. It's because there's no internet.
That's not true. Kai literally told us to come outside.
Is there internet right there?
Yes.
He lied.
How would they be watching YouTube?
Cause this shit got Wi-Fi, nigga. God damn.
God did.
This shit got Wi-Fi. What? Yeah, this the year.
Damn.
Bro,
Yeah, he's gonna have it until
got a camera right
36.
36.
Till 36.
there. Wait, to who 36?
Nah, until 2036.
Wait, so at 36?
You
How
gonna be
old?
40.
I'm gonna be 40. How old you gonna be, agent?
42.
Damn.
How the dude gonna be?
How old you gonna be?
44?
Damn.
Español, ve. Estamos hoy con Kai. Kai, ¿cómo te llamas?
Yo, bro.
Hola.
Hola.
Look at the sunset. Look, room over there, bed made. Let me show you how the sunset be looking over there. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, even though Parliament is beating my ass, like, I'm gonna lie. Like,
Oh my God, it's chirping.
it's kind of worth it. And I'm working on me.
That's an eagle. An eagle just like what?
I'm working on
What up, Kyle? Country Kyle.
Time, man.
What up?
Peep the sunset though. Oh my. Nah, come on, bro.
Come on,
That's
bro.
one thing I never cared about no trees and stuff like that, but
What
bro,
the
you gotta
fuck
give
just
it to God, bro.
happened?
Show that right there.
His car has internet, dog. Hey, you trying to watch the Chelsea highlights? Hell yeah.
Nah, Kings and Warriors.
Ah, shit, I ain't see that on my homepage.
How you feel? The A&P mobile.
The A&P bill. AM mobile P.
Yeah.
Side patch kids.
Lighters, just in case.
Just in case the hooks.
Now we just need condoms now.
If we need smokers, yeah, we need some like lubricant and shit.
We need a mini mouthwash.
No, we need a big one.
Bro, just get gum. Y'all niggas insane.
Bro, right?
Niggas talking about mouth.
No, we need
deodorant.
Lysol wipes. It's starting spilling there, bro.
Nah, paper towel. We'll need Lysol wipes.
No, we need
Big ones.
we need deodorant. We need some makeup for the yitties. Oh shit. Hey, my bad too.
What's one thing that I should add to my car?
Car?
Yeah.
Like for a girl, like if a girl walk in, like what's something that she need?
Maybe like an air freshener.
Air freshener.
Oh.
Thank you.
No, we even cups.
No, we don't.
Yeah, no, we do.
Now we do need cups though.
Bro, cups. Bro,
Alright,
cups.
Towels?
Yeah. No, we do.
No, this is everything you touch, we buy, bro.
Pack a bounty only though, cause all the other brands ass.
Hold on, this one's cheaper.
Yeah, niggas.
No.
$13.99?
No.
We need road spray.
Damn, missing all right.
Yeah, I get a picture or something.
Oh, we good then. Oh. Wait, hide. All right, if you walk by, would you know he was there?
Yeah. No.
No, would you? No. You wouldn't even think like somebody back there. Yo, chill, bro.
Bro, what?
I'm not gonna lie, like, This is good. Like, what? How's it gonna fit? You niggas didn't even say wow to the 3 yet.
You gotta say wow.
That shit whack.
Say wow.
Bro, say wow. I
Wow.
wasn't really feeling that wow.
Wow. Oh, wait. We're not done. Yeah.
Yeah, though. I ain't gonna lie, Cadillac.
Cadillac.
Y'all motherfucking dang with
Oh.
this shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody spam God did, bro.
God did.
Spam God did, bro. Because that's who you gotta say thanks to. That's not like, it's just, bro. Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro. And we about to get, let me not leak. Let me not leak. I'm not gonna leak. You know what I'm saying? That's, can't say nothing, chill. Can't say nothing, chill. Just like Asian, hold on. Just say chill. No, what do you, chill. I'm about to flex the flex. Today's flavor is grapefruit with mint flavor.
What are you trying to make? They got tortilla chips. We got tortilla wraps.
Bro, what?
No, black beans.
Yeah, what is you?
Raisin bread and corn. What is you making with this?
Okay, so basically,
What are you making with this?
what it does is it makes your semen thicker.
Hey yo, what
What
the
the
fuck?
Yeah, you're number one. Y'all be trying to say it's me, it's this nigga, bro.
No, it's you next.
It's not me next.
He's number 1.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck? The chairs are watching TV.
How you felt about that?
Wait, they don't have no couches, bro. They're moving?
Ah, man. Memories.
Wait, they're moving? They're moving?
Holland. Look, God damn. Alright, so look, first of all, this is a new channel. It's called More Fanum. I just had an allergy appointment. I'm on a mission to clear this allergy shit, bro. I'm sick and tired of this. This channel, I'm just gonna show y'all a whole bunch of shit that y'all never see on either the main channel or streamer. Or the streaming channel. It's just behind the scenes shit. But I was talking with Kai. He said something that I thought of like years ago, but never knew when to do that. And if motherfuckers decide to start doing shit, you know what I'm saying? You most likely will see it on this type of channel. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm tired of making channels. I got like 5 channels now, right? Or 4. You know what I'm saying? So,
I got, that's how many I got, not a lie.
yeah, bro. Shout out to More Fanum, bro. More fucking Fanum, bro. It's literally called More Fanum because it's just more vids than me, gang. It's just more, y'all not tired of me, gang? You not tired of me, gang? I hope you're not tired of me. Listen, subscribe to the channel. We got 0 subscribers.
Already did.
We coming for, first goal is 10,000 subs. We coming for 10,000 subs. That's the first goal. 10,000 subscribers, bro. But yeah, bro, I'm out of here. I love y'all. And you know what I'm saying? Eat good. Facts.
He good. How many you got? He got 30. Damn. Bro. Nah, they did what?